Stop chasing goals, start building systems, life-changing. What's up, fam? Ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels with goals? Like, you get all hyped up, write stuff down, and then, crickets. Yeah, I've been there. We've all had those journals filled with amazing ideas that just kinda stay there. Today, we're gonna ditch the whole goal setting thing and get into something that actually works. It's all about systems. I know, it sounds kinda boring, but trust me on this. This will change your life. Seriously. I'm talking about switching from feeling stressed and stuck to feeling like you're cruising through life. You'll be surprised how much easier things get. Let's jump in. The goal trap. Okay, so get this. 6 months ago, I was staring at my journal, same old story. Get fit, save money, start that side hustle. Sound familiar? I had these same things written down for like 2 years and nada. It made me feel like such a loser. I was doing everything the gurus told me, smart goals, vision boards, the whole shebang. Then, I grabbed coffee with a friend who's killing it with his tech company. I thought he'd be all about his huge goals, but he was like, dude, I haven't set a single goal in 3 years. I was like, wait, what? He built a super successful biz without goals. Dude was onto something. That's when he told me about systems. Seriously, after I started using them, I got more done in 6 months than I had in the previous 2 years. The best part? It felt like I was just flowing. Systems, the real deal. What's the difference? A goal is like wanting to go to a music festival. That's cool, but how do you get there? That's a system. A goal says what you want, but a system shows you how to get it done. Let's say your goal is to lose 15 pounds. That's cool, but it's not a plan. A system might be, I'll meal prep every Sunday, or I'll go for a walk after work. Get the idea? It's the process, the actions, the things you do every day that get you to where you want to be. Why systems rock? Last year, I wanted to start my online biz, but I was obsessed with money. Nothing was happening. So, I created a system. Every Monday, research trends, Wednesdays, connect with clients, and Fridays, improve my offers. No more focusing on the numbers, just the daily things I needed to do. And guess what? My business started taking off, faster than I expected. Systems are awesome for 3 reasons. No stress. You're not stressing about hitting some crazy number. You just follow the steps. It's like having cruise control. Habits for life, goals are temporary. Systems are what stick with you. They become part of your daily thing. Even on bad days, goals rely on motivation, and that's not always there. But your system keeps you going, even if you're feeling blah. I used to try so hard to be productive. I downloaded every app, had all the planners, nothing worked. Then I made a simple morning system: wake up at 6, make my bed, drink water, work on my most important task for 90 minutes, before phones. That's not a goal, that's just a sequence of small actions that I do every day. Now, I'm productive and it just flows naturally. Goals versus systems, the big aha. Are goals important? Yeah, totally. But here's the thing that changed everything for me: goals tell you where you want to go, but systems are how you get there. Goals are like wanting to drive to the beach. Cool, but the system is your car, the gas, the map, and the actual driving. You need both, but people spend way too much time dreaming about the destination and not enough time actually building a car. Building your system. Ready to create your own success machine? Here's how. Start super small, don't try to change your entire life overnight. Want to write? Start with 50 words a day. Want to get fit? Start with 1 push-up. It should be so easy, it's kind of funny. Keep it consistent, Little things every day is way better than big things once in a while. Consistency builds the habit. It's about the long game. Track your system, don't obsess over the outcome. Track whether you did your system. Did you write 50 words? Check. Did you do a push-up? Check. The results will follow. Okay, your turn. Think of one goal you're struggling with. Now, instead of thinking about that result, what's one tiny system you can use to move towards it? Goals are where you're going, systems are how you get there. And remember, successful people aren't just dreaming, they're building. Hey, and while you're at it, why not make watching these videos part of your growth system, right? If this made sense to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. And don't be a hoarder, share this with your friend who might need this right now, right? Stay awesome and remember, success isn't about goals, it's about the systems you build. Catch you later.